Hello students, welcome to Biology Tutorial Hub channel. Today we are going to talk about the 5 kingdom system of classification, specifically kingdom Protista. This is grade 9 biology, unit 2. ዛሬም 9ኛ ክፍል unit 2 kingdom Protista በሚለው እንነጋገራለን. Follow me. What are protists? What are the key characteristics of protists? Could you mention some of the key characteristics of protists? And can you name some protists? Can you name some protists that you know? Let us talk on that. Kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista include eukaryotic organisms. Yeah, so kingdom Protista are what? They are eukaryotic organisms. That means all protists have cell with a true nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. So all protists are what? Eukaryotic organisms. They have true nucleus and they have membrane-bounded organelles like chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, and other organelles. Kingdom Protista contains the most diverse organisms of all the kingdoms. There are 5 kingdoms: Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Animalia, Kingdom Plantae, and Kingdom Monera. The most diverse organisms is found in Kingdom Protista. Or from the 5 kingdom system, Kingdom Protista contains the most diverse organisms. Most Protista are unicellular and they are microscopic. However, there are some Protista that are multicellular and some are still very large in size. So Protista are primarily what? Unicellular. Protista are primarily what? Microscopic. But some are multicellular, still some are very large in size. ስለዚህ ፕሮቲስታ ዩካሪዮቲክ ኦርጋኒዝሞች ናቸው። ምን ማለት ነው ዩካሪዮቲክ ኦርጋኒዝም ስትል ለምትዩ ተማሪዎች ትክክለኛ ኒውክለስ ትሩ ኒውክለስ አላቸው። እንደገና ደግሞ መምብሬን ባውንድ ኦርጋነልስ አላቸው። ስለዚህ ትሩ ኒውክለስ ስላላቸው ወይም መምብሬን ባውንድ ኦርጋነልስ ስላላቸው ክሎሮፕላስት አላቸው፣ ማይቶኮንድሪያ አላቸው፣ ጎልጂ አፓራተስ አላቸው፣ ሌሎችም ኦርጋኖች አሏቸው። ስለዚህ ፕሮቲስታዎች ምንድናቸው? ዩካሪዮቲክ ኦርጋኒዝምስ ናቸው። ኦል አር ዋት? ዩካሪዮቲክ ኦርጋኒዝም። ሁሉም ዩካሪዮቲክ ኦርጋኒዝሞች ናቸው። ሁሉም ትሩ ኒውክለስ፣ ሁሉም ትሩ መምብሬን ባውንድድ ኦርጋነልስ አላቸው። ኪንግደም ፕሮቲስታ ከአምስቱ ኪንግደም ሲስተም በጣም ዳይቨርስ ብዙ ዳይቨርስ የተለያየ ግማሾቹ ኒውክለስ ናቸው፣ ግማሾቹ መልቲሴሉላር ናቸው እና የተለያየ ኦርጋኒዝሞችን የያዘ ኪንግደም ነው ኪንግደም ፕሮቲስታ ነው። አብዛኞቹ ኪንግደም ፕሮቲስታዎች እንደናቸው they are unicellular and what? Microscopic. But others are multicellular, still others are very large. አንዳንዶቹ በጣም ትልልቅ ናቸው። መልቲሴሉላር ሆነው ራሱ በጣም ትልልቅ እስከ 60 ሜትር የሚረዝሙ የፕሮቲስታ አይነቶች አሉ። ጉድ Protists are typically found in aquatic or moist environments. They are typically what? Free living. They are found in aquatic environments, they are found in moist environments. But some are what? Parasitic. Some are parasitic. They are parasites of plants or animals or other organisms. But most are free living. Most live in aquatic or moist environment. Protists exhibit diverse mode of nutrition. They exhibit what? Diverse mode of nutrition. Some are autotrophic, some are heterotrophic. Some can manufacture their own food. Some can perform photosynthesis. They can manufacture their own food. For example, algae. Others are heterotrophic. They cannot make their own food. They are directly or indirectly depend upon other organisms. For example, amoeba. Amoeba are heterotrophic, whereas algae are photosynthetic. Algae can manufacture their own food, but amoeba cannot manufacture their own food, rather than they are heterotrophic. Many protists are motile. Yes, they are motile. They move from one place to another place using what? Flagella, cilia, pseudopods. They are important to move organisms, to move protists from one area to another area. Some are non-motile. Some are what? Sessile. They cannot move from one area to another area. They are non-motile or they are sessile. Example of protists: amoeba, paramecium, eugulina, algae, slim molds, plasmodium, diatoms. These all are protists. ስለዚህ ፕሮቲስቶች አብዛኞቹ ፍሪ ሊቪንግ ናቸው። አኳቲክ ወይም ሞይስት ኢንቫይሮንመንት የሚኖሩ ናቸው። ውሃማ እርጥበት ያለበት አካባቢ ነው የሚኖሩት በብዛት። አንዳንድ የፕሮቲስት አይነቶች ምንድን ናቸው? ፓራሲቲክ ናቸው፣ ጥገኞች ናቸው። ህይወት ያለው ነገር ውስጥ ወይም ህይወት ያለው ነገር ላይ ይኖራሉ። የሰው ፓራሳይቶች አሉ፣ ፕሮቲስት ሆነው የሰው ፓራሳይቶች አሉ። ፕላንት ላይ ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም ሌላ አኒማል ላይ ሊሆን ይችላል። አብዛኞቹ ፍሪ ሊቪንግ ናቸው፣ አኳቲክ ኢንቫይሮንመንት ነው የሚኖሩት። አንዳንዶች ግን ፓራሳይት ናቸው ወይም ጥገኞች ናቸው። ሞድ ኦፍ ኒውትሪሽናቸው አመጋገባቸው፣ አንዳንዶቹ ራሳቸው ምግብ ማዘጋጀት ይችላሉ፣ አውቶትሮፊክ ናቸው። አንዳንዶቹ ግን የራሳቸው ምግብ ማዘጋጀት አይችሉም፣ ሄትሮትሮፊክ ናቸው። there is diverse mode of nutrition and አብዛኞቹ ሞታይል ናቸው፣ ከቦታ ወደ ቦታ መሄድ ይችላሉ። ፍላጅላ፣ አንዳንዶቹ ፍላጅላ ሙቭ ያደርጋሉ፣ አንዳንዶቹ ሲሊ ያላቸው፣ አንዳንዶቹ ሲዶፖድ አላቸው። ሊታር ሎኮሞታሪ ስትራክቸር and some are what ነን ሞታይል፣ መንቀሳቀሳቸው ነን ሞታይል፣ ልክ እንደ ፕላንት አንድ ቦታ ቁጭ ብለው ነው የሚኖር። they are ነን ሞታይል good ናሜባ፣ ፓራፊየም፣ ኢጉሊና፣ አልጌ የመሳሰሉት እንትናቸው ፕሮቲስት ናቸው። look this is paramecium. The locomotory structure of paramecium are cilia. Look, this are cilia, hair-like structure. This is the amoeba, protist. The locomotory structure of amoeba are pseudopoda or pseudopods. This one is pseudopoda, this one is another pseudopoda, this one is another pseudopoda, this is another pseudopoda. Extinction of cytoplasm. This extinction of cytoplasm is not pseudopoda, and pseudopoda is the locomotory structure of amoeba. Look, Gulina is another protist. Locomotory structure is flagellum. Look, this one is a flagellum, and this flagellum is the locomotory structure of Igulina. Good. They can reproduce asexually through method-like binary fission, or they reproduce sexually through the fusion of gametes. So, protists reproduce both sexually and asexually. Asexually by binary fission, that means by division of the body into two parts. Or through sexual reproduction, but there is fusion of gametes. There is male gamete and the female gamete. So there is a fusion of that gamete, and so that they reproduce sexually. So sexual and asexual reproduction are the two methods of reproduction in protists. And organisms classified as protists are quite different from each other. Yes, they are very diverse. They are quite different from each other. Some are animal-like, some are plant-like, some are fungal-like. ስለዚህ ፕሮቲስቶች በዘርም ያለ ዘርም ይራባሉ። ሪፕሮዳክስ ሴክሹዋሊ ባይ ባይናሪ ፊሽን፣ ሰውነታቸውን ሁለት በመክፈል ወይንም በዘር ሴክሹዋሊ ይራባሉ። ጋሜት፣ ፊሜል ጋሜት እና ሜል ጋሜት። there is a formation of zygote, that is sexual type of reproduction. ፕሮቲስቶች በጣም ዳይቨርስ ናቸው፣ የተለያየ አይነት ናቸው። አንዳንዶቹ እንስሳ ይመስላሉ፣ አንዳንዶቹ እጽዋት ይመስላሉ፣ አንዳንዶቹ ፈንጋይ ይመስላሉ። Good, let us move to animal-like protists. These are known as protozoans. Animal-like protists, also known as protozoans. They are single-cell organisms. Yes, these protozoans are what? They are single-cell organisms. They are what? Unicellular. They have only what? One cell for one organism. So they are unicellular. And these animal-like protists or protozoans are what? They are eukaryotic organisms. They have two nucleus and they have membrane-bounded organelles. They seem to be like animals, or they share key animal-like traits. What are the traits? What are the features, or what are the characteristics that protozoans look like animals? One, they are heterotrophic. They are heterotrophic. They cannot make their own food. They are directly or indirectly dependent upon what? Other organisms. They are motile. Like animals, they are what? Motile. They are capable of movement. So, like animals, they are heterotrophic. Like animals, they are motile. That's the reason why protozoans are animal-like protists. Good. Some representative protozoans include the first one, phylum Rhizopoda. These protozoans move using pseudopoda or false foot. So, the locomotory structure of phylum Rhizopoda are pseudopoda. These pseudopods are a temporary extension of the cytoplasm of phylum Rhizopoda. This temporary extension of the cytoplasm of phylum Rhizopoda known as pseudopoda, and these pseudopods are the locomotory structure of phylum Rhizopoda. For example, amoeba. Amoeba is found within phylum Rhizopoda. Amoeba have false foot. Amoeba have pseudopoda for movement, to move from one area to another area. Look, this one is pseudopod, this one is another pseudopod, this one is another pseudopod, this is another pseudopod, this extension of cytoplasm, and the pseudopoda is a temporary extinction of cytoplasm, which is important for movement. So from phylum Rhizopoda, a good example is amoeba. Good. Phylum Flagellata or Zoomastiginia. Flagellates proper using one or more long whip-like structure called flagella. Yes, they are also mobile. They move from one place to another area, from one place to another place, and they move by one or more long whip-like structure known as flagella. So flagella are the locomotory structure of phylum Flagellata or phylum Zoomastiginia. They can be free-living or parasitic. This phylum Flagellata, some are free-living, some are what? Parasitic. Some are the parasitic of animals, plants, or other organisms. Some are free-living. Example include Trypanosoma, which causes African sleeping sickness, and Giardia. So Giardia and Trypanosoma are the two examples of phylum Flagellata. This phylum Flagellata, flagella በሚባል ጅራፍ የመሰለ ስትራክቸር አላቸው። የጅራፍ የመሰለ ስትራክቸር ፍላጅላ ይባላል። አንዳንዶቹ አንድ ፍላጅለም አላቸው፣ አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ ሁለት ወይም ከዛ በላይ ፍላጅላ አላቸው እና ሙቭ የሚያደርጉ ከቦታ ወደ ቦታ በዚህ ጅራፍ በመሰለ ነገር ወይ ፕላክ ስትራክቸር በመሰለ ነገር ነው ዛት ነው ማለት ፍላጅላ። እነዚህ ፋይለም ፍላጅሌታዎች አንዳንዶቹ ፍሪ ሊቪንግ ናቸው፣ ፓራሳይት ለብቻቸው መኖር ይችላሉ። አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ ፓራሳይት ናቸው፣ አኒማል ላይ፣ ፕላንት ላይ ወይም ላይ ኦርጋኒዝም ላይ ፓራሳይት ናቸው። ስለዚህ አንዳንዶቹ ፍሪ ሊቪንግ ናቸው፣ አንዳንዶቹ ፓራሳይቲክ ናቸው። ለፍላጅላ ጥሩ ኤግዛምፕል የሚሆኑት እነማን ናቸው? ትራይፓኖሶማ ኤንድ ጃርዲያ። ዚስ ዋን ኢዝ ጃርዲያ። ሉክ ኢት ሃዝ ቱ ፍላጅለም። ጃርዲያ ተቅማጥ የሚያመጣው ማለት ነው። ጃርዲያ ጃርዲያሲስ ተቅማጥ የሚያመጣው ጃርዲያ። ትራይፓኖሶማ ይሄ የእንቅልፍ በሽታ አፍሪካ ስሊፒንግ ሲነስ የሚባለው እንቅልፍ በሽታ የሚያመጣው ትራይፓኖሶማ ዚስ ዋን ኢት ሃዝ ዋን ፍላጅለም። ሶ የእንቅልፍ የሚያመጣው የሚገኘው ፋይለም ፍላጅሌታ ላይ ነው። ሶ Trypanosoma and Giardia are the two examples that are found within phylum Flagellata. Both are parasites. Good. Phylum Slater, Coelophora. Slates are moved by numerous hair-like structures known as cilia. Yes, they have numerous hair-like structures which is important for movement that are known as cilia. The cilia also help capture prey and particles of food. They are also a feeding structure which is important to capture prey. Good. So paramecium is a good example that's found within phylum Slater or phylum Coelophora. ስለዚህ እነዚህ ስሌት የሚባሉት ፀጉር የመሰሉ ነገሮች አሏቸው። ከቦታ ወደ ቦታ ሙቭ ለመንቀሳቀስ ለመሄድ እነዛ ፀጉር የመሰሉ ነገሮች የሚባሉ ሲሊያ ይባላሉ። ሲሊያ ለሙቭመንት ብቻ ሳይሆን ምግብን ካፕቸር ለማድረግ ለመያዝ ወይም እንደመመገቢያ አካላት ሆነው ያገለግላሉ። ለምሳሌ እኛ እጃችን እንደምንጠቀም ሁሉ እነዚህ ፓራሚሽየም ወይም ፋይለም ስሌታዎች ይጠቀማሉ፣ ሲሊያን ይጠቀማሉ in order to capture food. so ፋይለም ስሌታ ወይም ከፋይለም ሲሎፎራ ጥሩ ኤግዛምፕል የሚሆነን ፓራሚሽየም ነው። ፋይለም ግሎኖፋይታ they are characterized by having flagella for movement. Yes, this phylum Glonophyta they are characterized by having flagella for movement. Many are photosynthetic because they have chloroplast. Yes, many of these phylum Glonophyta have chloroplast, and this chloroplast is the site of what? Photosynthesis. This phylum contain different organisms. Many are photosynthetic because they have chloroplast. They are also capable of heterotrophic nutrition. So in this phylum Glonophyta, some are photosynthetic, some are what? Heterotrophic. Some can manufacture their own food because they have chloroplast to capture light energy. They have chlorophyll and they can manufacture their own food or they can make their own food. Others are heterotrophic. They are directly or indirectly depend upon other living organisms. A good example from phylum Glonophyta is Eglina. Eglina is a good example in phylum Glonophyta. ስለዚህ ግሎኖፋይታ የሚለው በፍላጅላ የሚሄዱ ናቸው። እነዚህ በጣም ደስ የሚለው ነገር አኒማል ይመስላሉ፣ ፕላንት ይመስላሉ። they are plant animal like. ስለዚህ አንዳንዶቹ የራሳቸው ምግብ ማዘጋጀት ይችላሉ፣ ክሎሮፕላስት አላቸው የራሳቸው ምግብ። አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ ግሎኖፋይታዎች የራሳቸው ምግብ ማዘጋጀት አይችሉም፣ ሄትሮትሮፊክ ናቸው። ስለዚህ ለፋይለም ግሎኖፋይታ ጥሩ ኤግዛምፕል የሚሆነው ማነው? Eglina is a good example within phylum Glonophyta. Good. This one is the flag. This one is the Eglina. This Eglina has flagellum, which is important for movement from one place to another place. And there is chloroplast. This chloroplast contains a green pigment known as chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is important to capture light energy. Good. Eglina are single-cell protists that show both plant-like and animal-like traits. Yes, Eglina are single-cell protists. They show both what? Plant-like and animal features, or animal-like features, or animal-like traits, or characteristics. So makes them mixotrophs. So Eglina are mixotrophs. They have both plant-like characteristics and animal-like characteristics or traits or features. They are similar to animals. Why? Because they can move using a flagellum. Yes, they can move with a flagellum. Each has a flagellum and they can move from one place to another place. And they consume food. They are heterotrophic. If light is scarce, if there is no light, if there is light scarcity, so they can consume food. They become what? Heterotrophic. When light is available, they use their chloroplast in order to perform photosynthesis. They can manufacture their own food. So that, like plants, they can manufacture their own food because they have chloroplast. They can perform photosynthesis. Like animals, they can move from one place to another place using flagellum, and they become heterotrophic. Yes. So due to this two reasons, Eglina are mixotrophs. They can manufacture their own food, or they can be heterotrophic. Eglina, like the cellule present in a plant cell. So Eglina like what? Cellule. Eglina like what? Cellulose. This cellulose is the character of plant cells, but Eglina lack cellulose. They do not have cellule, rather than they have pellicle as an outer covering next to cell membrane. ስለዚህ Eglina ሁለቱንም ይመስላል። አኒማልን ይመስላል፣ ፕላንትን የሚመስል ባህሪ ያላቸው። ባህሪያቸው ይቀያየራል። ሙቭ ማድረግ ይችላሉ። ፍላጅለም አላቸው እንደ እንስሳት። እንደገና ደግሞ እንደ እንስሳት ሄትሮትሮፊክ ምግባቸው ማዘጋጀት አይችሉም። ሄትሮትሮፊክ አመጋገብ ይመገባሉ። ስፔሻሊ ላይት ስካርሲቲ ካለ ላይት ከሌለ እንደ ፕላንትም ይሆናሉ። ክሎሮፕላስት አላቸው። ስለዚህ ምግባቸው ማዘጋጀት ይችላሉ። ፎቶሲንቴቲክ ናቸው። ምግባቸው ማዘጋጀት ይችላሉ። when light is available. Eglina እንደ ፕላንት ሴል ሴሉሎስ ወይም ሴሎል የላቸውም። ኤግሊናዎች ሴሎል የላቸውም። ኤግሊናዎች ሴሉሎስ የላቸውም። ከሴል መንበሬን ከውጭ በኩል ምን የሚባል ስትራክቸር ነው ያለው? ፔሊክል የሚባል ስትራክቸር ነው ያለው። ጉድ Phylum Sporozoans. Sporozoans often consist of parasitic protozoa. Yes, often or most cases, this phylum Sporozoa contain what? Parasitic protozoans. They lack specialized motile structures. They are non-motile. They are non-motile. They are non-motile. They lack motility structure. They lack locomotory structure. The most infamous sporozoans is Plasmodium. Plasmodium is the most common that is found within phylum Sporozoans. This is the parasite that cause malaria. So the most infamous sporozoans is Plasmodium, and this Plasmodium is the parasite that cause malaria. ስለዚህ እነዚህ ስፖሮዞans ሎኮሞታሪ ስትራክቸር የላቸውም፣ ነን ሞታይል ናቸው፣ ሙቭ ማድረግ አይችሉም። ልክ እንደ ቅድሙ ሲሊያ፣ ሲዶፖዳ፣ ፍላጅለም የሚባል ሎኮሞታሪ ስትራክቸር የላቸውም፣ ነን ሞታይል ናቸው እነዚህ ስፖሮዞኖች። ለስፖሮዞንስ በጣም ጥሩ ምሳሌ የሚሆኑ ማለት ነው ፕላዝሞዲየም። ወባ የሚያመጣው ፕሮቶዟ፣ ወባ የሚያመጣው ፕሮቴስት ማን ይባላል? ፕላዝሞዲየም ነው። ለምሳሌ ፕላዝሞዲየም ቫይቫክስ፣ ፕላዝሞዲየም ፋልሲፈረም የሚባለው ወባ አምጪ ተዋሲያን ማን ይባላል? ፕላዝሞዲየም ይባላል። ይሄ ፕላዝሞዲየም ነን ሞታይል ነው። ከማጋ ይመደባል? ፋይለም ስፖሮዞንስ። ጉድ ፕላንት ላይክ ፕሮቴስትስ ቅድም ብለናል። አኒማል ላይክ ፕሮቴስቶች አሉ፣ ፕላንት ላይክ ፕሮቴስቶች አሉ፣ ፈንጋይ ላይክ ፕሮቴስቶች አሉ። ስለ አኒማል ላይክ ፕሮቴስት ተናገረናል። አሁን ደግሞ ስለ ፕላንት ላይክ ፕሮቴስት እንነጋገራለን። they are known as algae. So the common name of these plant like protists, they also known as algae. They are eukaryotic organisms. They have two nucleus and they have membrane-bounded organelles. They perform photosynthesis to produce their own food. They perform what? Photosynthesis to produce their food. So they are photosynthetic organisms. So this algae or this plant-like protists are what? They are autotrophs. They can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. And they have chloroplasts. Their chloroplasts contain a green pigment known as chlorophyll in order to capture light energy. They are often found in aquatic environment. እነዚህ ፕላንት ላይ ፕሮቲን የሚባሉ ደግሞ ኮመን ኔማቸው ማን ነው? አልጌ ይባላሉ። ዩካሪዮቲክ ናቸው። ቅድም የተናገሩት ትሩ ኒኩለስ አለው። መምብሬን ኦርጋነልስ አላቸው። ትሩ ኒኩለስ አላቸው። መምብሬን ባውንድድ ኦርጋኖች አሏቸው። እነዚህ አልጌዎች ወይም ፕላንት ላይክ ፕሮቲስቶች ምንድን ናቸው? ፎቶሲንቴቲክ ናቸው። አውቶትሮፊክ ናቸው። የራሳቸውን ማዘጋጀት ይችላሉ። ምክንያቱም ምን የሚባል ኦርጋን አላቸው? ክሎሮፕላስት የሚባል ኦርጋን አላቸው። እዛ ውስጥ ምን አለ? ክሎሮፊል አለ። የክሎሮፊል ስራ ምንድነው? ላይት ኤነርጂን ትራፕ ማድረግ ነው። ላይት ኤነርጂ ትራፕ አድርጎ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ከውሃ ጋር ይቀላቀላል። ከዛም ይፈጠራል፣ ግሉኮስ ይሰራል፣ ምግባቸውን ያዘጋጃሉ ማለት ነው። ሶ ዲስ አልጌ አር ፎቶሲንቴቲክ ኦር አውቶትሮፊክ ኦር ፕሮዱሰርስ። ዜ አር ፕሮዱሰርስ፣ ዜ አር አውቶትሮፊክ ኤንድ ዜ ካን ማኑፋክቸር ዜር ኦውን ፉድ። በብዛት የሚኖሩት ውሃማ አካላት ላይ ነው። ጉድ Many have cellule for structure made up of cellulose, similar to plant. Many have cellule for structures made up of what? Cellulose. They have cellule, and the cellule of this plant-like protistus made from cellulose, a kind of carbohydrate similar to what? Plants. They can be unicellular or multicellular. So this plant-like protistus, some are unicellular, some are multicellular. Or this algae, some are unicellular. For example, diatoms. Diatoms are unicellular. Some are multicellular. For example, kelp. Kelps are multicellular. And they differ from plants is that they lack true leaves, true stems, and true leaves. So this plant-like protistus or algae lack true leaves, true stems, and true roots. Some algae are non-motile, while others are motile. They possess flagella. So some are non-motile, others possess flagella to move from one place to another place. So they are motile. Some are motile, some are non-motile. Unicellular algae are the base for aquatic food chain. So unicellular algae are what? The basis of aquatic food chain and produce much of the oxygen in Earth's atmosphere. Much of the oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere is produced by algae. So algae are the basis of aquatic food web or aquatic food chain. And algae produce much of the oxygen in Earth's atmosphere. They produce oxygen. So እነዚህ አልጌዎች ወይም ፕላንት ላይክ ፕሮቲስት የሚባሉት አብዛኞቹ እንደ ፕላንቶች ሴሉላ አላቸው። ሴሉላቸው የሚተሰራው ከምንድን ነው? ሴሉሎስ ከሚባል ካርቦሃይድሬት ነው። ልክ እንደ ፕላንቶች። እነዚህ ፕላንት ላይክ ፕሮቲስቶች ወይም አልጌዎች አንዳንዶቹ ዩኒሴሉላር ናቸው። ለምሳሌ ዳያተምስ ዩኒሴሉላር ናቸው። አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ መልቲሴሉላር ናቸው። ለምሳሌ ከልፕ ከፕላንቶች የሚለዩበት ምንድን ነው? ትሩ ሊፍ የላቸውም፣ ትሩ ስቲም የላቸውም፣ ሩት የላቸውም፣ ግንድ የላቸውም፣ ቅጠል የላቸውም፣ ስር የላቸውም። አልጌዎች አንዳንዶቹ ነን ሞታይል ናቸው። ከቦታ ወደ ቦታ መንቀሳቀስ አይችሉም። አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ ፍላጅላ አላቸው፣ ሞታይል ናቸው። ከቦታ ወደ ቦታ ሙቭ ማድረግ ይችላሉ። ጉድ አልጌዎች በጣም ደስ የሚለው ነገር የአኳቲክ ፉድ ቼን መሰረት ናቸው። they are what? The basis. They are what? Producers. They are what? Autotrophs. They are what? First trophic labels. ስለዚህ የፉድ ቼን ወይም የፉድ መሰረት ናቸው። አብዛኛው ኦክሲጅን በአትሞስፌር ላይ በመሬታችን ላይ ያለው ፕሮዲስ የሚሆነው የሚመረተው በማን አማካኝነት ነው? በአልጌ አማካኝነት ነው። Some representative plant-like protists. The first one is known as Phylum Chlorophyta. The common name of Phylum Chlorophyta is known as the green algae. Green algae is the common name of Phylum Chlorophyta. These chlorophyta include unicellular, colonyl, and multicellular organisms or multicellular members. So this Phylum Chlorophyta includes unicellular, colonyl, and multicellular members. Some are unicellular, others are colonyl, others are what? Multicellular. Good. Most of the green algae are photosynthetic. So most of the green algae have chloroplast, and that chloroplast contain chlorophyll, so that most of the green algae are photosynthetic. Example of chlorophyta or green algae, Chlamydomonas, and Spirogyra. Spirogyra and Chlamydomonas are the two important examples that are found within phylum Chlorophyta. የፋይለም ክሎሮፋይታ ኮመን ማን ይባላል? ግሪን አልጌ ይባላል። እነዚህ አንዳንዶቹ ዩኒሴሉላር ናቸው፣ አንድ ሴል ብቻ ነው ያላቸው። አንዳንዶቹ ኮሎናይል ማለት በጋራ የሚኖሩ ማለት የተለያዩ ኢንዲቪጁዋል ናቸው፣ ነገር ግን በጋራ ሰብሰብ ብለው ይኖራሉ። አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ መልቲሴሉላር ናቸው፣ ከአንድ ሴል በላይ የተሰሩ ነው ሰውነታቸው። አብዛኞቹ ግሪን አልጌዎች ፎቶሲንቴቲክ ናቸው፣ የራሳቸውን ምግብ ማዘጋጀት ይችላሉ። ክሎሮፕላስት አላቸው፣ ክሎሮፊል አላቸው። የፀሐይ ብርሃን ተጠቅመው ምግባቸውን ማዘጋጀት ይችላሉ። ይሄኛው ክላይሜዶሞናስ ይባላል። ይሄው እንደምታዩት ሞታይል ነው፣ ፍላጅላ አለው። ተመልከቱ፣ ይሄኛው አንድ ፍላጅለም ነው፣ ይሄኛው ሌላ ፍላጅለም ነው። this is Chlamydomonas, and this Chlamydomonas can move from one place to another place because this Chlamydomonas has two flagella. This one is unicellular. This one is Spirogyra, multicellular. ይሄኛው አንድ ሴል ነው፣ ይሄኛው ሌላ ሴል ነው፣ ይሄኛው ሌላ ሴል ነው። this one is multicellular, this one is Spirogyra ይባላል። ይሄኛው ደግሞ Chlamydomonas ይባላል። good. Phylum Phaeophyta, the brown algae. Look, the brown algae, the common name of Phylum Phaeophyta is the brown algae or brown algae. They are often large and multicellular. They are large and what? Multicellular. Example, giant kelpis can reach lengths of over 60 meters. Yes, look. So, የፋይለም ፊዮፋይታ ኮመን ኔማቸው ብራውን አልጌ ይባላሉ። አብዛኞቹ በጣም ትልቆችና መልቲሴሉላር ናቸው። ለምሳሌ ጃይንት ካልፕ የሚባሉት እስከ 60 ሜትር እርዝመት አላቸው። ሉክ ከዚህ ጀምሮ እስከዚህ ድረስ እስከ 60 ሜትር እርዝመት አላቸው። አንዱ ካልፕ እስከ 60 ሜትር። so kelps are found within phylum Phaeophyta. The common name of phylum Phaeophyta is brown algae. Good. Phylum Rhodophyta, red algae, the common name. Most red algae are multicellular organisms. This, like the previous one, most red algae are multicellular organisms. The red appearance of this algae is caused by the presence of distinctive photosynthetic pigment called phycoerythrin. So, red algae or phylum Rhodophyta have a photosynthetic pigment. So, they have photosynthetic pigment known as phycoerythrin, and this phycoerythrin have red color. That is the reason why the common name of phylum Rhodophyta is called red algae. እነዚህ phylum Rhodophyta red algae ወይም ቀይ አልጌ በመባል ይታወቃሉ። አብዛኞቹ መልቲሴሉላር ናቸው፣ መልቲሴሉላር ኦርጋኒዝሞች ናቸው። ቀይ የሆነበት ምክንያት ምንድነው? ልክ አረንጓዴ ተክሎች አረንጓዴ ናቸዋል። ውስጣቸው ምን አይነት ፒግመንት ስላለ ነው? ክሎሮፊል የሚባል ፒግመንት ነው አረንጓዴ ቀለም ያለው። እነዚህ ደግሞ ሬድ አልጌዎች ልክ እንደ ክሎሮፊል ምን የሚባል ፒግመንት አላቸው? ፋይኮኤሪትሪን። ምን አይነት ቀለም ነው ያለው? ቀይ ቀለም ነው ያለው። ለዛ ነው ቀይ ቀለም የሆነው ወይም ሬድ አልጌ የተባሉት። ወይም እነዚህ ሬድ አልጌዎች ቀለማቸው ቀይ የሆነበት ምክንያት ፋይኮኤሪትሪን የሚባል ፎቶሲንቴቲክ ፒግመንት ስላላቸው ነው። ጉድ this is a picture of red algae. Another one, phylum Basilarophyta, commonly known as diatoms. Basilarophyta, the common name known as diatoms. They are microscopic. They are unicellular algae characterized by their silica cellule. They are what? Unicellular. They are what? Microscopic. What are the characters of diatoms or phylum Basilarophyta? They have cellule. Their cellules is made from silica. Their cellules are made of what? Silica. Silica ከሚባል ሚነራል የተሰራ ነው ሴሉላቸው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ባሲላሮፋይታ ኮመን ኔማቸው ዳያተምስ ይባላል። አብዛኞቹ ማይክሮስኮፒክ ናቸው፣ በአይን አይታዩም። በማይክሮስኮፕ የሚታየው ዩኒሴሉላር ናቸው። they are unicellular, they are not multicellular, rather than they are unicellular. እንደገና ዩኒክ ሆነ ሴሉላ አላቸው። ሴሉላቸው ምን ከሚባል ማዕድን የተሰራ ነው? ሲሊካ ከሚባል ማዕድን የተሰራ ነው። good. Another one, fungi like protists. They share some characteristics with fungi. That's the reason why they are fungi like protists. They are what? Heterotrophic and mainly producing what? Spores. But their cells contain cellulose instead of what? Chitin. You know that the fungi cellule made of chitin However, the cell wall of these protists, fungi-like protists, doesn't contain chitin. The cell wall of fungi-like protists contain what? Cellulose, like what? Like plants. The cell wall of fungi contain what? Chitin. So the cell wall of fungi-like protists contain cellulose, but not contain chitin. Good. Chitin is a kind of carbohydrate that form the cell wall of fungi. However, the cell wall of fungi-like protists made from cellulose. Example, slim molds, water molds are a good example of fungi-like protists. Both are decomposers. They are important to decompose dead organic matter into simpler forms. So these fungi-like protists are decomposers like fungi. They are heterotrophic like fungi. They reproduce in spores like fungi. However, the cell wall of these fungi-like protists do not contain chitin, rather than it contains what? It contains what? Cellulose, or they contain what? Cellulose. Good. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.